painted this house a few years ago. Still looks beautiful. He just wants to bump it up to a higher quality of paint because the neighborhood we're in is allowing it now. So I'll kind of give you a little quick rundown. And then we did the back of the house as well. So we just got done power washing that. This third time redoing the pavers out back. Last two of them failed. But as you can tell, we adding a beautiful clear coat to the ceiling here. Doing all the walls again. We do a lot of work in this neighborhood. And yeah. Done over 800 homes in here, which is great. But I bet you guys have seen this house before. We got some other neighbor's house down the street off to the right of us. And a couple more jobs down to the left as well too. So we're just gonna keep knocking them out. Stay tuned. Happy Friday.